All right, so this is, let me pencil that in there. This is number 34. Okay, so this is 34. Oops. So what I was looking at, it's a triangle. It says that the base of the triangle is 5x minus 2, and the height is x plus 4. Okay, it doesn't really matter what the triangle looks like. We don't know that. And the area inside, so the area inside, so inside here, the area is equal to, let's see, what does it say? 45.5 square units. So A equals 45.5. Okay, that's a little bit hard to see there. Maybe I'll fix that. Let's see. Let's see. 45.5. Okay, that's a little bit better, not great. All right, so what do we know about finding area of a triangle? Well, it's half of a rectangle, right? So it's half the base. What's our base? That's 5x minus 2 times its height. That works for any triangle, right? And that is equal to, what does it say? 45.5, right? 45.5. All right, so I've got decimals and I've got fractions, and actually they have the same denominator because 0.5 is a denominator of 2. So let's clear out the fraction. So we're going to multiply everything by the lowest common multiple of the denominators, or I guess you could multiply by 10 there, but that'll actually clear that out if I times it by 2. So I think that's the better way to go. So because this is all one product, I'm just going to times this by 2. That will undo, and it will make it just multiplying by 1, right? And then I'm going to times this over here by 2. So that will give us 90. That's nice to work with. And here we just have this binomial product. So 5x minus 2 times x plus 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and expand. So a distributive property. So we got 5x times x. That gives us 5x squared. And plus 20x minus 2x. And then minus 8. And then minus 90, I guess, is equal to 0. Okay, I just did that in one step there. All right, so we're going to combine all the like terms. We just have 5x squared. That's the only x squared. So 5x squared. We have 20x minus 2x would give us 18x. Minus 8 and minus 90 is, whoa, you know what? I made a mistake there. This should be 91. I doubled 45, but there's 45 and a half. That's 99. So that's minus 91. So this is minus 99. There we go. Yeah, okay. So that's equal to 0. So now we're going to try to factor this. Let's see. How can we factor this? Well, we know this has got to be 5x, and this is x. And let's think about some factor pairs for 99. So I just 9 and 11. That's a factor pair that would work, possibly, okay? But we could try that. So let's see. We've got to have positive there. So if this was 9 here, let's see, plus 9. So that would be 45, and then minus 11. Yeah, that's not going to work. And then if we do it the other way, it's even going to be worse. So that's not going to work. Okay, let's try another factor pair. It might be, let's see, split that. So that'd be 3 and, sorry, this should be 11. 3 and 33. Okay, maybe that will work. Let's see. So if we put plus 33 here, and then minus 3 here. So that'd be minus 15 plus 33. There we go. That's going to work, all right? And then this will give us here a, so if we set it equal to 0, which we did already, this is going to give us a negative value for x, which we can't have, right? So x is going to equal to 3. So now we got to decide what are the dimensions of the triangle given that we know what x is. So if we substitute 3 in here, 15 minus 2, the base is 13. What are the units? Units, I don't know what they are. And the height would be, if we substitute 3 in there, h is equal to 7, right?